In this video, I'll break down the top 5 action cameras and which action camera I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best action camera and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the GoPro Hero 9 Black. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It delivers exceptional 5K video quality with its new 23.6 megapixel sensor, marking a significant upgrade from previous models. The camera features hyper-smooth 3.0 stabilization with horizon leveling, producing remarkably steady footage even in extreme conditions. It's waterproof to 33 feet without requiring additional housing and built to withstand rugged environments. The dual-screen design includes a rear 2.27-inch touchscreen and a front-facing 1.4-inch color display, making it ideal for vlogging. Battery life is improved with a 1720 mAh capacity, providing up to 90 minutes of 4K recording. Video capabilities include 5K at 30 FPS, 4K at 60 FPS, and slow-motion 1080p at 240 FPS. The camera offers Time Warp 3.0 for time-lapse creation, scheduled capture for automated recording, and hindsight to capture moments before hitting record. Additional features include 20 megapixel photo capability, live streaming support, and webcam functionality. At number 4, we have the OM System Tough TG7. The TG7's impressive durability makes it a standout rugged camera, being waterproof to 15 meters, shockproof from 2.1 meter drops, crush-proof to 100 kilograms, dust-proof, and freeze-proof to -10 degrees Celsius. The camera features a 12-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor paired with a bright f2.0 to 4.9 lens, offering 4 times optical zoom. Its macro capabilities are exceptional, with 1 centimeter minimum focusing distance and up to 44.4x magnification. Video capabilities include 4K at 30p recording, and high-speed options up to 480 FPS in lower resolutions. The built-in GPS and field sensors track location, temperature, and altitude data. The 3-inch LCD screen offers improved color reproduction, while USB-C connectivity enables convenient charging. The camera includes specialized modes like underwater photography, construction, and time-lapse. Battery life extends to approximately 330 shots, and the dual-pane protective glass prevents fogging in extreme temperature changes. At number 3, we have the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The Action 5 Pro delivers exceptional battery life with up to 240 minutes of continuous recording time. This rugged action camera features a CMOS sensor capable of capturing 4K video at up to 120 FPS and 40 megapixel still photos. It boasts dual OLED touchscreens with high brightness and impressive waterproofing up to 20 meters without a case or 60 meters with the included waterproof housing. The camera incorporates advanced stabilization features including Rocksteady 3.0 and 360-degree horizon steady for smooth footage. With 64 gigabytes of built-in storage, 10-bit color recording, and D-Log-M support, it offers professional-grade capabilities. The device includes 3 built-in microphones for stereo audio capture and supports wireless connectivity through Wi-Fi 6.0. Its compact form factor and lightweight design make it ideal for action sports and outdoor activities. At number 2, we have the GoPro Hero 13 Black. This is our runner-up pick and excels with its exceptional hyper-smooth 6.0 stabilization, making handheld footage look professionally stabilized. This rugged action camera captures 5.3K video at 60 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS, while offering extreme slow-motion capabilities up to 400 FPS at 720p. The 27-megapixel sensor maintains the versatile 8:7 aspect ratio, allowing users to crop footage into various formats including 16:9, 9:16, and 4:3. Built to withstand harsh conditions, it's waterproof to 33 feet without additional housing and features a durable construction that can handle drops and impacts. The new 1900 mAh Enduro battery provides up to 2.5 hours of continuous recording at 1080p, with about 65 minutes at 5.3K resolution. A significant upgrade is the new HB Series lens mod system, featuring auto-detecting lenses including macro and ultra-wide options. The camera supports multiple color profiles including 10-bit HDR HLG and GP log for professional color grading. Dual screens, built-in GPS, and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity round out this capable action camera's feature set. The magnetic mounting system adds convenience while maintaining compatibility with traditional GoPro mounts. At number 1, we have the Insta360 Ace Pro. This is the best action camera you can buy on the market and excels in low-light performance thanks to its sensor and Leica lens combination. This action camera captures video at up to 8K at 24 FPS or 4K at 120 FPS with a 48 megapixel photo capability. The device features a unique flip-up screen that aids in self-filming and low-angle shots, while maintaining durability with waterproofing up to 10 meters without a case. The camera's pure video technology, powered by a dedicated 5nm chip, enhances dynamic range and stabilization while reducing noise. Its clarity zoom feature enables 2x zoom with minimal quality loss. The 1650 mAh battery provides approximately 100 minutes of continuous 4K recording, with fast charging capability reaching 80% in 22 minutes. Build quality is robust with a rugged chassis, though at 179.8 grams it's heavier than some competitors. The magnetic mounting system allows quick transitions between mounting points. The fixed lens protector, while durable, isn't replaceable. Video quality shows excellent detail and color reproduction, particularly in challenging lighting conditions. The camera includes features like wind noise reduction, star-lapse modes, and pre-recording options, making it versatile for various shooting scenarios. So that sums up my top 5 action cameras. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.